Brilliant Esme and her fighting sisters adventures.
Great news you have to share with all of us.
Oh!
Because you're going to be exploring the house today. You'll be able to see if the dogs come out, Esme. We'll just wait for a little bit if the dogs come out. What's wrong? Esme, do you not want to meet the dogs? That is the kitchen, Esme. Esme, do you want to meet the dogs? Want to meet the dogs again?
Some of these things are just so weird and some are so scary! Now I really need a 1-minute break. What big stairs? I want to rest on this weird thing. What's that? A window! The window is so cool. I don't like the piano. Round and round like a naughty queen.